All right. Namaskar, Khushamdeed, Sat Sri Akal, Madhya Vanakam. A very warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us for this special afternoon where we will be witnessing something truly ingenious, something very special, and actually witnessing a milestone in the journey of Power Gummies. But before we do that, Power Gummies is a brand about hair and nails, and you guys are all the connoisseurs of hair, nails, lifestyle. And it's important to get started with this press conference with some amount of interaction, with some amount of conversation with each one of you. Because I know for a fact we may be distanced physically, but we are all connected digitally today. So if you all can hear me well, there is this what you say conduit called the chat box enabled on this platform. So if you guys can hear me well, please say a hi hello on the chat box so I know that you all are there, watching us, listening to us. And hi Pratik, hi Madhurima, hi Vedihi. So nice to see all the energy. Hi Kashish, coming on the group. So, guys, we are going to kickstart this press conference with actually checking your knowledge and getting a dipstick about your knowledge about hair care. So, are you all ready? The quiz is pretty simple. On your screen, you're going to see and witness a question. एक question दिखने वाला है आपको, which is a very generic questions about hair care. And there is no right or wrong answer, but yes, there's a midway of an appropriate answer that we have sought from our hair experts. Now, if your answer comes closer to the answer that we have received from our hair care expert, and you're able to submit your answer really fast, really in a timely way, you get yourself a Power Gummies hamper. So ensure that you have exercised your fingers well, ensure that you're really mindful listening to us and also watching the cues and the clues that will get displayed on your screen. So everyone's set. There are only two terms of the game. One thing is that you have to give an appropriately correct answer. And the second thing is you have to answer fast because the winners will be decided on the basis how fast they are able to submit their answer. All right. So, guys, are you ready? Clear with the rules? Yes, no, maybe. Should we begin? Okay, I am taking that as a yes. Vedihi, all right. I've got a yes from all you lovely people out there. So, can we please flash the first clue? And let me tell you that we'll be answering these questions after the quiz is over, and we'll be announcing the winners at the fag end of today's virtual conference. So, can we have the first clue being flashed on the screen, please? Guys, I hope your fingers are all ready. So here comes the first question. How often you should wash your hair? So considering it's summers or winters, make your assumptions, but how often you should wash your hair? Quickly submit your answers in the chat box. I'm going to be giving you like some 5 to 6 seconds. So 5, 4, I'm seeing some wonderful responses in the chat box. 3, 2, and 1. Time up. We will reveal the answers, but towards the back end. So this was question number 1. Can we move to the next question, please? Okay, this is a technical and an interesting one. What kind of comb one should use while combing wet hair? And I already see people responding, and there's a pattern that I'm witnessing in the answers. And I don't know, coincidentally, each letter or each answer is beginning with this letter W. Okay. So I'm going to give you like 5 seconds more. 5, 4. Kapil, I like your answer. Don't use wet comb on wet hair at all. 3, 2, and 1. So time up, guys. You're doing exceedingly well. Let's move to the next question. So can we have question 3 on our screen, please? Does trimming hair regularly helps in getting rid of split ends? Okay, whatever you're answering, yes or no, also give its rationale, just a one liner rationale, because we need to see if you guys know what's the logic behind it. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds more. So the question is, does trimming hair regularly helps in getting rid of split ends? What's your perspective? Give like a one liner rationale if you have. Ashini Jain, I see you've given a rationale here. Lovely. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. time up. I see a lot of people submitting a lot of rational. I must say, you all are like hair experts here. Okay, can we have the next question, please? Is it advisable to condition the scalp? Again, while you're saying yes or no, please back it up with a cogent rationale as to why you're saying yes or no. Is it advisable to condition the scalp? Yes, no, and give us a perspective of why. So I'm getting a lot of responses. Simply Food 42, you've given us a rationale. Mrigangi here has given the rationale. Guys, yes, I'm getting rationales, but give us yes, no, backed by some logic. Yes, Gunjan, okay. So last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Now, guys, you have the last question on your screen. So ensure that your fingers are all fixated near your laptop or your device. What can we do about hair damage from regular styling? Now, here you have your own vacant canvas. Give us your tips, give us your hacks, give us your hacks that you use when you have hair damage from regular styling. And you can go wild here because there are different miscellany of ways of keeping hair healthy or recouping from hair damage. So give us 1, 2, 3, 4 different kinds of methods here. I like somebody had written the word chumpy. That's very desi, but that's also very true. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds more. You have to tell us what can we do about hair damage emanating from regular styling. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And wherever you're seated, give yourself a huge, huge round of applause because apart from being really curious about hair, you guys have that millennial like energy of typing so quickly and submitting your answer in full power and energy. Thank you so much for your responses. Now, quickly, the first question was how often do you wash your hair? The submission that we got from our hair expert is usually 2 to 3 times washing in summer or at least twice in winter helps. That's what we got as an answer. What kind of comb one should use while combing wet hair? Well, the answer that we got was detangler brushes. Even if you have the thickest hair, curly or hair time, detangler brushes really work well. So, and they also said that they minimize the damage from brushing knotted hair. Does trimming hair regularly helps in getting rid of split ends? Yes, it does. And they say that a simple trim can encourage hair growth by getting rid of damaged, broken hair and split ends. So that's the rationale, I guess. Is it advisable to condition the scalp? Well, the answer is no, because your scalp already produces a lot of oil naturally of its own. And the last question was like Nani Make Nuske with a lot of open canvas for you to respond. What can we do about hair damage emanating from regular styling? So they said use a deep cleansing shampoo. And I saw some of the responses coming as deep cleansing shampoo instead of clarifying shampoo. And you can use a cup of apple or cider vinegar, and you can retrieve the regular hair damage with the right blend of hair nutrition. Use virgin oils once a week at least, and don't forget to eat right. And I think Chumpy is also like a loud answer because Chumpy really works. So thank you so much for your responses, guys. And we are going to figure out who is the winner as we appear towards the fag end or culmination of this virtual conference. But thank you so much for all your fervor. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's begin this virtual press conference where we, like I said before, are at the verge of announcing something supremely exciting, which comes in the form of a significant milestone, a very important partnership, a very, how do I put it, sought after synergy for this really ingenious, healthy, and most importantly, this delicious brand called Power Gummies that has taken the market to a complete storm ever since its inception in late 2018. Ever since its inception, it has sold off more than 20 lakhs of gummies and touched the lives of more than 1 lakh people. So what's the milestone that I'm talking about? Well, today we are going to be revealing and bringing you all face to face with the brand ambassador for the Hair and Nails Power Gummies. And this is just the beginning. Because Power Gummies has really revolutionized the way nutrition is consumed breaking the norms of a conventional tablet, which looks like a medicine, to creating these absolutely delicious, delectable gummies, which come with the goodness of biotin, folic acid, and 10 essential vitamins for radiating hair and nails. I don't know why I pointed at myself. But yeah, they help you to take care of yourself and act as a respite in these busy times. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite on our virtual stage the persons whose perseverance, whose persistence ensured that we all witness today the marvel and impact of Power Gummies. I'd like to invite Mr. Divij Bajaj, the founder and CEO of Power Gummies. Power Gummies. He started Power Gummies in the late 2018 with a simple mantra, which is health powered by happiness and backed by science. He is eyed for his incredible contribution to the nutraceutical industry with a distinctive side of perceiving and introducing the state-of-the-art gummy supplements in India. Having personally seen his mother hate all the necessary vitamin supplements, believing that every tablet was a medicine, he stumbled across the idea of making supplements enormously tasty yet nutritious. So, with this, Divij, can I request you to come forward and share your perspectives? And for all our viewers, we know you have a lot of questions. We have received your questions. We are going to address these questions in a very dedicated way on the second half of the press conference. So stay there. And with this, Divij, over to you. Divij, welcome. And I'm very excited to listen to your cues and your perspectives. But how do you feel at this very moment, Divij?
Thank you so much for such a nice introduction, Ridhima. It feels really nice for me having someone on board which believes the concept as much as I do. It's a different experience altogether. And I mean, what started with just my mom's story when she used to hate pills. I thought that why can't vitamins give you happiness along with health? Led me to the innovation of Power Gummies. And that's actually the mantra for the business. Health powered by happiness and backed by science.
Yes.
And it is amazing to see so much response, so much love from everybody and from our Power Gummies fans. And it is great to have someone on board now who shares the equal amount of love, someone I admire a lot, someone who is everyone's favorite. I don't think there's anybody who is not touched upon by her presence, someone we really adore.
Yeah.
I would really like to welcome the new face for the gummies, Shraddha Kapoor.
Woohoo! Well, Divij, I've also heard that if you clap, one gray hair turns into black hair. So I think let's give a huge round of applause for Ms. Shraddha Kapoor.
For me, Ridhima, I have only heard one slogan that if you eat 2 gummies a day, that's where all your hair problems come at bay.
I like that. I like that. Hi, Shraddha. Hi. Welcome.
Thank you. Can you hear me? Can everyone hear me?
Yes.
Hi, everyone. Hello, everybody.
Guys, you can show Shraddha some love from the chat.
I hope all of you are doing well and I hope everyone's safe. It's super exciting to be here. Hi, Divij. Hi, everyone.
Hi, Shraddha.
So, considering Shraddha is here and Divij is here, and we have like a lot of questions both about the brand and about this partnership. So I'm very excited about this. And audience, if you're also excited, show us some hi, hello excitement in the chat box so that we have this rub-off effect of all your energy. So Divij, I'm going to start off the question and the conversation with you.
Sure.
So creating Power Gummies must have been a lot of experiment and thought experimentation of its own. And now you have built a brand that where from your experiments of trying muffins and trying different formats into gummies. And then at what point did you think I need a brand ambassador? And how did you finalize that, okay, Shraddha is going to be my brand ambassador? What attributes of her personality made you feel that she's perfect for the brand?
So we really actually thought of then expanding brand audience. And to do that, we thought that, we need someone that can touch down the lives, and somebody who everybody loves, somebody who has a great presence and can give us a great brand push in terms of awareness. And who other than Shraddha? I mean, everybody loves Shraddha. I'm a big fan of hers, and she really admires the idea of Power Gummies. That's where we thought that, if it has to be anybody, it has to be Shraddha.
Interesting. And Shraddha, if I may ask you, what made you say a yes or to this proposition, and what made you believe in the concept of Power Gummies?
First of all, I have to say that Divij is very, very kind for all his words. And, when you have this kind of belief with someone who you're collaborating with, and they feel like you can be the...
I think we're experiencing a little delay. Can you all hear her? No, okay. I think there's a little lag. Divij, till the time Shraddha comes back, I would want to know from you.
Can you hear?
Shraddha, there was a little lag in your voice, so I think you'll have to start from scratch of answering. We heard last that Divij is very kind, and then we lost you. So that was very appropriately paused. Shraddha, you can hear us? There is a bit of glitch. So let's wait for Shraddha to come back and let's continue.
Okay, you know what I'm going to do? Hop back on.
Okay, Shraddha, if you're able to hear us, I think you'll have to change your internet settings and come back. This is the bane and boon of technology. But don't you worry, we have Divij with us, the creator, the mastermind behind Power Gummies. Divij, I want to know from you, how did you come up with this concept of Power Gummies? Because it's like, it's like a Dexter laboratory kind of experiment. Like, what thought crossed your mind, and at what point you had this epiphany, oh, I have to make these gummies?
This started with my mom. So my mom actually had back pain, and she went to the doctor. Doctor gave her 4-5 vitamins to have. And for her, she was popping 4-5 pills a day. And in her thought process, she had something that was equal to the cancer level, which was just normal vitamin deficiency.
Yeah.
It was just calcium. It was just D3, vitamin E.
Yeah.
But for her, since it was in the form of pills, it was a big problem. And she had to take a lot of medicines to cure it. And that's when I realized that, with the concept of pills and anything that is coming in the format of pills, we confuse OTC items and we treat them as the medicine.
Yeah,
exactly. And that's where I thought that if there is a right alternative, a right approach there where we can, have them in a different way, in a different pattern, that way we won't be, fearing these medicine. We won't be feeling bad about them. And the most important part, nobody will have to remind us, please have, please have, please have.
Yeah.
We have to create something which you want to have, which you love to have. And that's where I started experimenting with different products, around 17 products I tried. And eventually something that I love, which is gummies, is the right format that I could pick up. And that's when the innovation for this cute little gummy that you can see came. It's a super tasty, cute little gummy. And with this thought process, the other thought process that we had in mind as a team was to really work on the scientific part of it. And exactly why, we have kept that as a thesis that, it has to be a brand that is powered by happiness and backed by science. Yes. So we do rigorous clinical trials. We have a great panel of scientists. We work really hard on the composition. And as per our clinical trials, we have proven that it is amongst best in the whole Asia. It gives you 22% of hair growth acceleration and 65% of hair fall reduction, which is immense, which is massive. And I think Shraddha back.
I feel even you're having a lot of gummies because your hair is dope and like it's really awesome.
Of course. I don't miss having my gummies. I love taking them.
So yeah, that's very much evident. Shraddha, you're
back. I am back.
Yay.
I'm so sorry. I'm actually out of town and the internet connection here is very erratic. Hopefully this is better.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is. Fingers
Thank God.
crossed. And I was saying that the last conversation where you left is you said Divij has been very kind, and then it abruptly got cut off. So you'll have to take it from the kindness.
I will take it from there. Will take it from there. So I have to say that, you know, when Divij and I met, and when he told me about Power Gummies, and he told me that, you know, he would like for us to collaborate together, I thought it was the most amazing thing, because when I was having the gummies, so first of all, I have to say that I love food. Okay, so I will explain to you what I mean by this. So I feel like my food has to always be interesting, and my vitamins also, and the nutrition that I'm giving to my body has to be had in an interesting way as well, you know. I think a lot of us don't like taking supplements or vitamins and just popping pills because we find it challenging. We find it cumbersome. We're like, oh, we have to take that pill, or it doesn't taste good. And then, you know, most of us don't end up having our essential minerals and vitamins because of that reason. So I was one of those people. And when I had a Power Gummy, I was just like, that's it. You know, this is the way I'm going to get all the essential vitamins for my hair and nails in this manner. And it's so fun, it's so tasty, and the most amazing thing is also that it's so convenient, you know. So the moment this collaboration happened, I thought that it was completely for me, absolutely and totally me.
So, Shraddha, you said one important aspect that it breaks the perception which is associated with vitamins and supplements, which are these finger-sized, really big medicines, which one wonders how much water one needs to gulp to really gobble it down. My question to you is, how do you think this association with this brand is going to shape in the future, and how relevant, you being an actress, you're 24/7 busy, how relevant it is to the men and women of today who are, I mean, dealing in the virtual world, but somehow they are busy, how relevant it would be to them?
So I would say that my lifestyle is, of course, being in front of the camera and, you know, being having styling done to my hair all the time.
Yes.
Having things done to my nails all the time, and you know, the makeup and the crazy working hours, and you know, basically the inability to be able to spend a lot of time, say, taking care of your hair, like hours or days. It's not possible. It gets very, very difficult, and it gets very difficult, very challenging, because there are days when there's shoot for like 14 to 16 hours, and then there are moments when I'm out of town for months, you know. So it gets very challenging, and I feel like, okay, this is me, but I also feel like there are a lot of people out there who lead very busy lives, very hectic lives, who are on the go all the time, constantly. They don't have that time to be able to, you know, go to a salon maybe, or, you know, give their hair and nails rest, or, you know, or it does get hectic. I think a lot of people lead hectic lifestyles. So I think Power Gummies resonates and solves this problem, I would say, this very, very prevalent problem, because not only are you loving yourself, taking care of yourself, taking your vitamins and your minerals, you're taking them in a super fun way. You're taking them in the most convenient way. You're taking them in a way that is sustainable, because it's also catering to you enjoying taking it. It's yummy and it's great for you. It's great for you. And there are clinical studies that have shown that it's good for you. So I think it's a perfect fit for everybody today.
All right. So Shraddha feels it's a perfect field for everybody, be it an actress or a working person or people who are stuck perpetually in front of the virtual world. Divij, my question to you is, in the world where we all want instant gratification, like, you know, putting that dry shampoo, getting that look, how much time does Power take to show the impact and for them to build this this trust, oh my God, this is working? How much time does it take?
So, Ridhima, these are vitamins, and vitamins are not like shampoo. Vitamins take time. They slowly adjust your metabolism. They slowly adjust the inner body mechanisms, and that's when they start to kick results. So, with power gummies, typically that we saw with the clinical trials is that with 30 days of consumption, you start to see little bit of results. With
Yeah.
45 days of consumption, that's when the metabolism has shifted. So you start to see more results more frequently.
I
After
see.
60 days, the body has completely adapted. Now the body knows that you're getting these vitamins on a regular basis, and this is not something that was just given to the body on a superficial day. So now it becomes a regular habit of the body of consuming these vitamins and showing the appropriate results. So by the time you keep taking them for 90 days is when you start to see the best and the optimum level of results. And that's why
Okay.
we say this, that it's a journey for 90 days. So 90 days to gorgeous hair. That's the slogan that we keep saying to everybody.
90 days to gorgeous hair with great taste. So I think it's
Yeah.
a win-win deal for all.
With great taste, and also, if I may add,
Yes.
you can carry these gummies with you everywhere. They will fit in your handbag, they will fit in your backpack, they will fit in your clutch. You can take them with you everywhere. And I think all of us want uh, something that is healthy for us, which we can take with us anywhere that we want to go. So that's one of my favorite parts as well.
I see.
Cute bottle, small cute bottle that you can keep anywhere you like.
But the thing is, Divij, these gummies are so
Yeah.
cute. I
Yeah,
had
exactly.
to eat them. They're so cute. They're so tiny, little cute gummies. Yeah, Shraddha, you're saying something.
Yeah, no, I completely agree with you. Yeah, they're very, very cute. Very cute.
Shraddha, you have played these miscellany of characters, okay, where you're a dancer, at sometimes you're playing biopic, and it really calls for different and at times very demanding hairstyles and products to be used in your hair. What are your some of hair care routine, which are very simple, very quick hacks, and how you maintain the quality of your hair?
So I have to say, Ridhima, that before Power Gummies came into my life, I
Yeah.
never took a pill or a chewable or a tonic ever for my hair or my skin or my nails. This is the first time ever that
Are
I
you
am,
kidding me?
because
You're an actress, and
yes,
there's a perception that there's a lot of vitamins.
and so that's what I mean to say, that I didn't ingest any kind of medicine or anything, because I just was not drawn to the idea of popping a pill. It just didn't seem appealing to me. So I have to say that uh, uh, I've started a new habit with Power Gummies. Aside from Power Gummies, I would say, because it goes completely hand in hand with whatever else that I try and do. Whenever I get the free time for the well-being of my hair or my skin or my nails, I would say that. So I turned vegetarian nearly 2 years ago, of course, for my love for animals primarily, and then of course for the tremendous health benefits. So I started also noticing that when I went vegetarian, my skin started getting better, my hair started getting better, I started sleeping better, life just got better. I started sleeping more peacefully, because I was like, okay, I'm not contributing to harming animals and eating them.
Yeah.
So uh, I think turning vegetarian was a very big shift for me for many, many reasons. And then of course the occasional oiling of the hair, and I think that good sleep is very very, very important. The way that your thoughts are is extremely important. The way that you think is very important. And just I think that when you are also pay attention to the products that you're using. So if
Yeah.
you're going to read the label on the products, it's very important the kind of shampoo you use, or the kind of cream or oils you're using, just to know that what are the ingredients, and is it beneficial for you, etc. So just some of those things.
Interesting. Shraddha, I want to also know from you. You said, when you popped these power gummies in your mouth, you loved it because of the taste and the fact that it was very yum. Apart from that, what aspects about this product will lead you to recommend this power gummies to your friends, your relatives? Would you recommend it in the first place, and why?
Absolutely, I would. That's why I'm the face of Power Gummies. It is the Power Gummies resonates with me very, very deeply, and I feel like the only reason to
Hmm.
be a part of, or rather be a face of a brand, is also I consciously use it. So
Yes.
so I think that I don't even have to tell people to use it. I think it's already out there now. And me being a part of the Power Gummies family is enough to say that, this is something that I imbibe in my life. And it's been great for me. So hope that it's great for you as well.
And how long have you been chewing these gummies, Shraddha, if I may ask?
Divij, if you remember, when had you sent me my amazing supply of Power Gummies? How long ago was it?
December. This was December 2020.
Okay, so then it's exactly from the day that I received it in December.
That's why I
And
can see the shine, Shraddha, which is exactly why I asked you. Cause and effect, Dexter Laboratories.
but I've been following the 90-day cycle. So that's exactly what I'm following, because that's the way it's supposed to be had. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Divij, I want to know from you, getting Shraddha on board is the first step of creating this brand association. What are your plans for Power Gummies as a whole? What are the future plans that behold? And how do you see this association with Shraddha shaping up, considering she has this massive fan following? Her connect with her audience is, I mean, supremely cool. How do you see this association shaping up and the future plans for Power Gummies?
I think when it comes to the association, we are really positive that it is going to get us a lot of brand awareness, and we'll be able to spread the message that we have, that, vitamins is just not something you got to be afraid of. It's
Yeah.
something that gives you health along with happiness. This whole message will now float to pan India because Shraddha has a lot of followers. And we're actually not expecting anything else. Our only aim is to just get out there, tell people that, you don't have to pop in boring pills when you have
Hmm.
something this interesting available, which you can
Yeah.
just chew, enjoy, and just have nice health goals that you have in life, is exactly the message that we're going to spread. And we're going to tell everybody in India that something like this is available. That's the only aim that we have. And when it comes to the brand and what we hold in future, we have our period pain gummies who have completed its clinical trial, and we'll soon be launching them. Then we have a
Awesome.
very nice variant, which is gummies for skin, that have completed their clinical trials, and we'll be launching them soon. Other than that, we have 40 more variants that within a span of 3 to 4 years, everybody will get to enjoy. So we'll touch base any problem that you have with the solution of tasty, nice gummies.
Wow, I that sounds really exciting, and I'll be looking forward to chewing those gummies for my skin, for my hair, and look uber cool. Shraddha, my question to you is: there must be moments when you have to quickly fix your hair or go from one function to another, and change the hairstyle. Could you show us some hacks of fixing hair quickly, which you can fix on the go for different occasions? I think
Oh my.
I can take some tips for my next event from here.
Really? Okay. So I'm all for quick fixes and quick ways to get ready.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll just so basically, because today we are having this amazing press conference, and I wanted to, have my hair neatly pulled back. It took me all of 10 seconds, 20 seconds to do it. So
Shraddha,
I can show it to
exaggerate
you.
कर रहे हो आप 20
अब मैं
सेकंड में
आपको
आपने
अभी
ऐसा
दिखा
बना
देती
लिया
हूँ. मैं अभी आपको दिखा देती हूँ. Okay.
Okay.
So there's nothing. I have nothing. I just have a rubber band here,
Yes.
and I
So,
love I love putting my hair back in a pony like this as well. So
Hmm.
I will show you how you can do that. You just if you want a middle parting, mine is already parted. So you literally just, and then I wanted it flat on top. So I really I'm trying to make it flat with my hands.
Okay. And you've not used any product before this. It's
No.
just shampooed hair. Okay.
It's just, and the thing is that my scalp is tends to get greasy. So, and it tends to get greasy really quickly. So it also kind of acts as a serum.
Yeah.
You know, where the natural grease of the hair is something that just pushes the flyaways down, and then I'm just putting it in a pony.
Okay, 10, 9,
and then
8,
you just spread
7,
your hair at the back like
6,
that,
5,
and then you check the front.
4, 3. Shraddha, 7 seconds. Not bad.
Whoa.
Well done. Well done. So
as you can see, you know, I'm all for hacks that work really, really well and that are good for you. So it completely aligns, you know, it all connects with Power Gummies as well.
Shraddha, this is going to be a highlight of my anchoring career. I made Shraddha Kapoor braid her hair with her fingers. Very, very nice. I'm proud of me today. So, Shraddha and Divij, thank you so much for answering some of the basic questions we had. But we have also garnered a lot of questions from our media. And we would also want our media folks, our friends who are here, to hear from you answers and perspective on some specific questions that they have. So I'll open the Q&A now. What I'm going to do is we've pre-received some bloggers, some influencers over here, and they have some questions. So I'd like to invite Kanishka from Professional Beauty, who has a question for Shraddha. So Kanishka, if you're around, please appear on screen and pop up your question.
Hi, well, Kanishka is not in, and I'm Shriyal. I'm a journalist and the editor of Professional Beauty and Hairdressers Journal in India.
Hi, Shriyal.
Hi, Shriyal.
Hi, Shraddha, and hi, Divij. And first of all, congratulations on this collaboration. And
thank you.
Best. I am sure Gummies has some great plans that Divij has spoken about, and we would look forward to more such announcements. Shraddha, you're looking lovely, like you always do.
Thank you so much.
And it was very interesting to have that quick hair fix from you, probably something that a lot of us could imbibe on our virtual calls. Yeah, so my quick question to you is, as we all are focusing on, hair, nails, and of course, I do focus a lot on skin and hair as well. What is your routine for, skincare, hair care, and nail care? If you could, quickly take us through that. What is your daily routine in a busy schedule as well?
For skincare, hair care, and nail care, right? So I would say that more than anything, I think the most important thing for me is what I'm eating. And I think that since I became a vegetarian, that really, really benefited me in many, many ways. So I think that that was one of the best decisions ever. And good sleep, the right vitamins, very, very important, great hydration, and of course, good thoughts. Very important to have good positive thoughts, thoughts of self-love. We are what our inner dialogue is with ourselves as well. So I think a lot of people feel like, you know, having great hair, great skin, great nails has a lot to do only with a lot of external things. I think that is just a part of it. A lot of it also has to do with what your habits are and the way that you lead your lifestyle. So I try to follow a balanced lifestyle.
Great. Thank you so much.
All right. So
Thank you. Take care of yourself.
Shraddha is clearly crediting her lifestyle. Thank you, Shriyal, for that question. The next question is for Divij, and it's been touted from Nehal from Ad Gully. Nehal, if you could come on screen and ask your questions to Divij.
Hi, Divij.
Hi, Nehal.
Hi. So my question for you is, what advice would you give to upcoming entrepreneurs in this space?
See, I think the only advice that I'll give to all the entrepreneurs that are coming in this segment is to be very honest with your audience. It's very important to communicate the right thing. So I see there are a lot of players in the market that would, communicate wrong things, that you'll see magical results in 5 days, in a week, in 10 days. And these are all the brands that have not actually done the clinical trials or have studied that, what is the actual cycle where the body starts to show results. And what happens is then the audience gets disappointed. They start to feel that, this is a wrong concept, that vitamins actually help you, which is very harmful for the whole ecosystem. And it is actually very harmful for the person who went to try it and got discouraged. So it is very important for us entrepreneurs in this segment to be very honest with our audience, to give them clean labels, right nutrition, great raw materials, which are blended to make the product that we are doing in the nutraceutical industry. And we just tell them the right promises, the right cycle that they would see, and the right way the results are going to kick in, so that we actually are at par with the expectation level that anybody is going to have.
Nehal, hope that answers your question.
Okay, yes.
Thank you, Nehal.
Thank you so much, Nehal.
Okay. Thank you.
Shraddha, you have a question from Monali. So Monali, can I request you to please appear and ask your question?
Yeah, so good afternoon, and
Good
this is
afternoon.
an amazing session. So my question is that what is your go-to healthcare tips? Like, just you feel like this is like the go-to ones. Can you just suggest a few?
Sure. Something that I am actually working on my love about that. So I feel like what I feel like I needed to incorporate a lot more into my life was discipline. And I think that discipline is misunderstood. I think a lot of people think it's very easy to get disciplined. They think that you can get disciplined overnight. Personally, I don't think that's the case. I think that, for me, I had to work with smaller steps every single day to get disciplined about changing something about my lifestyle. So I would say that if there's a disciplined approach taken to changing something about one's lifestyle, be it say a small thing like, okay, one will not have deep fried foods. So instead of saying that taking on a big task of changing something about their lives, they can start small, and when they incorporate that change into their lifestyle, they can expand more on other things that they want to incorporate. So I would say discipline is something that I working on and I'm focusing on.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll definitely
Thank
use
you.
this tip. Thank you.
Really? Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Monali, for that question. Hope it gets answered. And the biggest takeaway is to build micro habits and start with small things and do it consistently well. Our next question is for you, Divij, and it comes from a blogger, Mr. Prateek Chandak. So Prateek, can I request you to pose your question to Divij, please? I see you there, Prateek. Can you hear us? Okay, Divij's question is, what are some habits or regime that you follow to stay healthy?
So despite my idiotic lifestyle, I would say, as an entrepreneur, where there's not actually something that I recommend anybody. It's like working at day, working at night. But despite all that idiotic lifestyle that I have, I make sure that I do running for 3 minutes, and I at least have 3 to 4 liters of water every day. So, and of course, have my daily dose of gummies.
Yes. Yeah.
I think I'm gonna tempt everybody at this conference by eating one gummy. I mean, I just love that.
I'm feeling left out now because I'm out of town and I've run out of my gummies.
Oh,
So,
But I'll get back to it in a couple of days.
so it's only going to be this virtual meet and greet, Shraddha, till the time you're back in town.
Yeah.
Shraddha, question to you is by blogger Ayushi Likwani. Ayushi, can I request you to appear and please ask this interesting questions that you have? Ayushi, you there? Okay, Shraddha, I'll tell the question she asked. She asked, what are the 5 things we'll always find in your bag? I like.
I know one thing. I know one thing.
Divij has got Divij knows.
So one thing done. Power gummies is going to be there. What are the other 4 things?
Yes. The 4 things. The other 4 things. My phone. So my 1 second. I'm just trying to think because I just changed around some things in my bag also. So my phone will be there. Then sanitizer. That's phone, power gummies,
That's
sanitizer, and 5 things you asked.
Yes. Would you like to phone a friend? Because we're not giving you that option.
So usually also I have my earphones. And I also have my wallet. Of course, my wallet.
I thought you must be making payments from your phone, Shraddha. Digital ka zamana hai. Okay, Prateek took phone a friend really seriously. He also said you must be also keeping mask in your bag. So yeah, I give you the brownie point.
No,
Okay.
mask is not in the bag. No,
Okay.
Prateek, mask. We are always wearing the mask.
No, mask. See, mask is in the bag when you don't have to wear it.
Point.
Yeah.
My God, I'm liking how this
Because-
conversation.
Because also masks should not just be kept any and everywhere.
Important point. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Shraddha, we have one more question for you. Trivia question. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So this question is by the blogger Simran Sachdeva. So Simran, if you're around, I would really like for you to ask this question to Shraddha.
Hi. Hi, Shraddha. Hi, everyone.
Hi, Simran.
Hi, Simran.
Nice to see you here.
Nice to see you as well.
I'm a huge fan of Power Gummies because I'm also into the industry. So always would love to take care of my hair. And I've heard you that you're taking
Awesome.
care of your health and your lifestyle, your diet, your thoughts. I love all these things about you. Same here. Even I like to inculcate all these things in my lifestyle. I try to.
Awesome.
So this Power Gummies I've been using from this January only. So I've got great results. So now, other than Power
Amazing.
Gummies, I would like to ask you one question, like what is your nutritional favorite dish which you like love to eat as a balanced diet, or what is it, your favorite nutritional dish?
So basically a dish which is healthy, would you say that?
Yes.
Can I say ghar ka khana, because the food we make at home
Of course.
is very well balanced. All the sabzis that are made at home, the dals, then all of that is my most favorite healthy food. I think that it's so simple also. I think sometimes people think that the idea of healthy food is very complicated, but I think that when you understand your body and you understand what suits you, healthy food for different people can also be a little varied, I would say. So my home food is actually healthy, very yummy, healthy food at home.
Simran, you're on mute, but we hope you got your answer. Ghar ka khana. Still on mute, but I thought she said, I love that.
Awesome.
I was trying to lip sync. This is too much of work.
Thank you,
guys are
Shraddha.
making me today. Okay. Shraddha, the last question is from our blogger, Kashish Narang. So, Kashish, if you're around, I would really request you to ask your question to Shraddha. Okay, we have a question from Sami also. So, Sami, maybe one last question after Kashish, we'll go to you.
Hi everyone. Hi Shraddha. Hope you're doing good. I can't hear her.
I think her screen.
Oh, Shraddha, you got on mute, I think.
Yeah.
ये कैसे हो गया? This happened on its own. I did not touch my screen. Okay, can you hear me now?
Shraddha.
Yeah. Hi Shraddha.
Awesome.
Hope you're doing good.
Hi, I'm very well, thank you. Hope you're doing good also.
Can I ask now? I don't
Please
think
go
so.
ahead.
Can you please go ahead?
There's a little lag, but we can hear you well. So, Kashish, please go ahead, but you're on mute right now. Okay, so, okay.
I'm back. So is there any face or hair hack which you have learned from your mom or nanny and that is still stuck with you?
Oh, yes. And so many precious memories also attached, I think my earliest memory of hair hack, so to say, would be from a very young age when my mom would put oil in my hair. She would just sit me down and she would just put oil in my hair and give me the most amazing, relaxing head massage. And actually, from my nanny, I would say that she had really beautiful skin, and I don't think the little that I remember is I don't think she ever put any kind of creams on her face or anything, and I think that this is very prevalent with our grandparents. They wouldn't do much which would result in them having great skin. So I also try to keep it as simple as possible and try to keep it as natural and organic as possible.
Thank you so much, Shraddha. I got the answer.
All right.
Thank you. Take care.
So, guys, we have paucity of time, and I know you have a lot of questions. So we'll figure out a way to address these questions and respond back. We'll figure out that way. But before that, before we conclude, I think audience, wherever you're seated, a big round of applause to each one of you for making time and making your presence felt for this very important virtual conference. Your participation has taken the engagement to another level. And a big thank you to Divij and Shraddha for asking questions so candidly, for bearing with us, for really think through the different facets of the answer. So I think, Shraddha, today you'll need some more water and more gummies after answering so many questions. And
no, this was great fun. Thank you.
And Divij, we are looking forward to the kind of history you're going to be creating with this very ingenious brand. I saw some of your interviews and I know for a fact you've been through your own journey with your team to create this magnificent product, which looks very simple, very delicious, but has a hustle story of its own. So thank you, and we look forward to the brand journey you're going to create. Shraddha, I think your simplicity, your authenticity is contagious. So thank you so much for being you and answering questions.
That's so nice of you. You have been amazing, Ridhima. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shraddha.
Thank you, Ridhima.
I like the tone. Thank you. Welcome, Divij. Reminds me of school days. Okay.
Yep.
So guys, now we'll announce winners who participated in our trivia right in the beginning. So for question 1, the winner is Hina Desai. For question 2, the winner is Drishti. For question 3, the winner is Kashish. Question 4, Anjan. Question 5, it's Chahat. So we will ensure that you get your hamper of power gummies, and Divij is also going to send
Congratulations.
in advance. And
Congratulations to the winners.
congratulations, guys. Guys, before we wrap up, I'd want Divij and Shraddha, you to share one concluding thought with all our viewers, with everyone at large. Divij, I'll begin with you, and then I'll conclude with Shraddha.
I'll just say, keep smiling, guys. Keep having water and keep having and enjoying your dose of power gummies.
All right.
Remember, 2 gummies a day.
Yes. Divij, thank you for clarifying that, because that was also a question by Sam, how many gummies you can eat in a day. So 2 gummies. Shraddha, a concluding thought by you.
Absolutely. I would like to say that a couple of my favorite parts about power gummies is that they are vegan. And I try to make vegan preferred choices. In fact, I'm currently, since the 12th of April, I'm on a vegan detox. So what I do is, between being vegetarian, there are these windows of, say, maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks where I'm just totally vegan. So my window began on the 12th. So I would say that they are vegan. And I love all things vegan. And I would say that, you know, when you have clinical studies, clinical trials that back something that is going to support your journey in health, I think that that's a big say, because there are a lot of products out there without the required studies. And it's very, very important, because you need to know that what you're consuming is, of course, living up to and rightfully honest to the claims that they are making. So I would say that these two are my most favorite parts about power gummies. And of course, they're fun. They're little cute little gummies. They're convenient and all of that as well. And I really, really hope that whoever's getting on, whoever's going to be buying power gummies enjoys having them, relishes them. They're super tasty, and looking forward to great, great results for their beautiful hair and beautiful nails.
All right. Thank you so much, Shraddha. Thank you so much, Divij. Thank you to all the lovely audience for making time. This is your host, Ridhima Marie, signing off. But before I do that, don't forget to click pictures of today's event and upload them as your stories. Tag Power Gummies on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. We'd love to see this conversation go completely viral. Thank you so much for your time, and enjoy your gorgeous hair and nails in about 90 days. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Bye.